Fisher Engineering is based in Rockland, Maine. We make truck equipment, but mainly focus on snow and ice removal equipment like snow plows and salt spreaders. In the snow and ice industry, Fisher stands for quality as well as a personal touch from our dealer network. People expect us to be an industry leader in innovation as well as manufacturing quality. Fisher is celebrating our 75th anniversary this year. You don't get to be 75 years old without producing good quality products and taking care of your customers. Snow and ice products are absolutely used in some of the most difficult environments for things to function properly. It's wet, it's cold, there's a lot of salt, right? So saltwater environments can be very harsh on equipment. We rigorously test all of our products to make sure that they're going to stand up to the qualities that both we, our dealer network, and our customers expect. In the past 75 years, we have been able to bring new technology to the snow and ice control industry, bring quality products to the snow and ice control industry, as well as continue to manufacture the vast majority of our products here in the United States.